Talo ang mga taga-Alfonso na naman! Hello everybody, this is Heman, here everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, how's everybody doing? And as you could see, today is the last day of Ramadan. And this is the last day, this is one of the two major holidays celebrated among Filipinos. And the Philippines are all over the world and commemorates the end of holy month of Ramadan. And this is really one of the most important thing that we have to perform, which is praying together at the mosque. So yun na nga, hinihintay ko pa yung driver ko, hindi pa nga dumating. So yun na nga guys, nandiyan daw yung driver natin. Tagaytay just for a family visit. Uwi muna ako ng bahay and my family planning to go to Matabungkay for a family reunion, something like that. So, kinakabahan ako kasi wala nang laman yung RFID ko.
One eternity later.
Ang aga natin nakarating. I just arrived here in Tagaytay and I didn't expect that makuha ko siya ng 1 hour. course. Ano nga bang pangalan nito? John Del Resort. Okay, dito po yan sa Batangas. If you would like to come here, they have some swimming pool and also at the back, there is may dagat po tayo dyan. At saka kung gusto niyo mag-tour, may mga tour package po dito na pwede niyong makita. Kamusta naman po tayo dyan, guys? Oh, yan. Ito. Ito yung mga pamangkin ko, mga taga-Alfonso to. Ang mga babaeng marangal.
Babaeng magaganda.
Ang mga babaeng magaganda. Kumusta ang pagsa-swimming? Nakapag-swimming na ba?
Of course! So kahit mainit, go lang ng go!
May tanong tayo. Dahil sa patuloy na paglaki ng populasyon ng bansa, karamihan sa ating mga kababayan ay hindi na makabangon sa kahirapan. Ang tanong, paano po ba makakabangon sa umaga? Dilat mo na bago bangon o bangon mo na bago dilat?
Bangon muna bago dilat!
Ay, nako. At saka tingnan niyo si Miss Julia, oh. Ayan. Ang babaeng nagaganda-gandahan na naman. At saka ito, sino po tayo sa ngayong araw na to?
Joanna Morohong po.
Ang pinakamayaman.
Hindi po siya po.
Kung isa kang artista, sino po kayo?
Liza Soberano. Ann Curtis.
Ann Curtis? Ann Curtis o Ann Dume? Ay, nakasoba init. Parang ayaw lahat mag-swimming. Ayaw matanggal yung mga makeup nila. But anyway, let's have lunch, everybody. So bye for now. So ito na nga, magsisimula na yung laro. Ang dami nila. Ayoko mag-participate. Di kaya na. So guys, yun na nga. Maglalakad-lakad muna tayo dito sa tabing dagat. Iba talaga yung feeling pag nasa tabing dagat ka, no? Pag nasa dagat. Iba yung pakiramdam eh. I wish my my front beach house ako kasi iba talaga yung pakiramdam. Ayun, ayan, kung sino una makabalik, siya yung mananalo ng 500 pesos. Ayan. Ayan na. Tara! So, ito na nga guys. Sobra init pa rin. Naglalakad tayo sa beach. Ito yung beach. Nasa Lemeria, Batangas kami. And I love the feeling kasi ngayon lang tayo nakalabas ng beach. Ngayon lang tayo nakalabas ng bahay just to celebrate with other Muslim brothers, diba? So good. Tara, come on, let's go.
Thousand years later.
So pauwi na kami ng Manila ngayon. Kakatapos lang namin mag-swimming. Kahit hindi naman talaga totoo. Saan ba tayo nakapark? Sobrang init. Pinagpawisan ako eh. Never pa nanalo ang Alfonso ah. Talunan talagang Alfonso. So, kailangan namin mauna kasi Manila pa ako uuwi. Oo. Ayan o. Nagasgasan yung sasakyan ko. Hey guys, say hi to the vlog. What can you say about the competition? Are you competitive enough?
Yes, but somehow.
What happened?
Sometimes.
It
No,
happened
sir.
anyway. As you could see, we are losers.
No, we're not!
Hindi pa nanalo yung mga taga-Alfonso. Sino ba yung mga nanalo? Mga taga-Batangas, di ba?
Oo, nasugbo.
Magkano yung mga napapanalunan nila?
May 10,000, may 500.
Oh, ang laki na, di ba? 10,000.
Laki ng 10,000 noong una.
10,000 ba yun?
Oo,
Ito? Ang laki nun. So,
Ang galing mo.
sino ba nagbibigay ng pera na yun?
Yung ano daw, yung president na ang dito.
President ng mga ng Muslim community dito sa Batangas. So the thing is, all Muslims are invited here or invited to join for the celebration of Eid al-Fitr to commemorate the end of the holy month of Ramadan. And as you could see, we are very participative in joining
You're
this.
very competitive.
Yeah, joining this event, and it's a privilege for us to develop camaraderie, unity, right?
Yes.
Are you guys flabbergasted or discombobulated about the situation that happened
Embarrassed.
a while ago? Yeah, it's a big
Embarrassed of what happened. We did not win any of the competition already.
Yeah, because some of the games are not actually suited for the ability of some Alfonso Muslims.
Nalugi pala ako natin.
So, yun na nga. So, today we are planning to go home early
And eat an
because
ice cream.
we have some obligation to do, and tomorrow is gonna be another day, right?
Yes, because we have classes.
You have classes.
Yes.
We have office, we have things to work, and we are common people of the Philippines, so we have to be responsible enough. Okay, so what is this? Alapa. Okay, I have it. So now, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, hemansworthmorgan at yahoo.com. Of course, I'm on Facebook, hemanodin@yahoo.com. And these people, don't follow them. They are just a big distraction.
No. What the heck?
So, ito na nga.
Hey
Paalis na
guys,
ako.
click the subscribe button down there.
Yeah.
Click
And
the
please,
subscribe button.
leave a
Turn on
comment down
notification.
below.
Turn on notification.
Turn on the notification
And if you
below.
have suggestions like what is
What next video I have to present it to you. So please support this channel. I video with all my hypothalamus. So bye for now. See you guys.
See you again.